In order to do a full factory reset on an A-Series television, press Setup to enter the menu. Use the arrow keys to move over to Smart Settings. Press OK. Arrow over to Common and press OK. Then arrow down to System Recovery and press OK. Then select OK. The TV will turn itself off, so you will have to manually turn the TV back on to finish the reset. Once all images are off the screen and the red light stays solid red for more than a few seconds, you can power it back on. And then you're prompted to start the setup process.